All right. And I think we're live now. All right, let's get to it. See what we got going on today. Two stocks I'm looking at right now, HPCO and WLDS. HPCO is right now squeezing through that pre-market high. As we see here, gonna let it take off without me. Potentially wait for, it's about to get halted. Especially the bid sizes stacking up. See if I can get in the last second. Nope, couldn't do it. Would have been a good trade, but it took off without me. I don't want to get in at this high, so what I'm gonna do is, once it resumes, I'm gonna wait for that dip and rip and try to get in at this area on the dip, and then see for the rip up. Let me get pop out chat here. Let's pop out the chat over here. I'm gonna move that to the corner. Okay. So HPCO's halted, WLDS, our other leading gapper, still looks good above the VWAP. Nice resistance level here at 1.29. Sorry. Check on the HPCO real quick. See if it's still halted. Remains halted on my side. So yeah, now we're just gonna be patient and let setups come to us. We see HPCO here is halted, and we're gonna wait for the resumption. Resumption's in 9:39. It is 9:37, so in 2 minutes will be resumed. Just see a lot of orders being filled on the ask here. Look at all this. Oh wow. Incredible amount of buy orders. See what happened here. Basically came back down a little bit. Buyers just pushed up the price. What news does HPCO have? Hempico and grows 56.4% to $1 in pre-market trading after declining 6% on Wednesday. Yeah, but nothing specifically. Hempaco stock is rising alongside heavy trading on Thursday. However, there's no other news explaining interest in the shares. Investors will want to be careful. Investing as HPCO is a penny stock. Yeah, we'll have to be careful. WLDS here. Looks like it flushed below our VWAP level, so I'm just gonna create an alert here. Let us know when the price comes back up, and it's worth looking for. Right here. Yeah. Waiting for that dip and rip. Didn't get the dip. Average 2.06. Only filled 300 shares. Okay. So clearly what I did there is that I saw that there was going to be no dip and rip, and the buyers were just going to keep pushing the price up. So I tried adding in, and obviously we got the second halt, which is now going to be... So yes, I did fall to the FOMO. I saw buyers just pushing up the price up. Slow float stock, clearly HPCO, 2 million shares afloat. One of our leading gappers of the day. The only problem is we have no news. So I'm thinking after this halt, we're going to exit out. I think that's going to be a move because so yeah, I was expecting the drop here on the 1 minute, see some sort of drop, but every time I saw a little drop come down, it can the buyers would buy it up real quick, giving me the reason that I know buyers are letting me know that the buyers are just buying up those sells, buying up those shorts, buying up the people selling. I'll get some water. All right, I'm back. I got my water now. Feeling good. Let's see what we got. All right, so recap. We're in HPCO. We're in the second halt. Up so far $30. However, it's too early to call. So we're just gonna see what happens. I mean, it's the second halt. See if we get resumption even higher. Resumption's at 2.25 now. HPCO, we get resumed at 9:45:07. It's currently 9:43. So we're gonna be patient. Just gonna let it play out. That's what we're about to do. So that's what we're gonna do. That is what we're gonna do. All right, HPCO resumed in 55 seconds. I'm at 2.06, so I do not have that much room to exit out in case it flops. We'll have to get out fast. HPCO resumption in 30 seconds. I don't think I'm gonna add any more shares. I do want to see a move to maybe 2.5 also. All right, resumption any second now. I'm gonna hold through this dip. Gonna hold through that dip as long as we're above that previous halt level, and we're below. Easy buyers buy at the dip. No reason to get halted out now. My average is fine. I'm at 2.06. Taking a little bit off the table there. Still in at 300 shares. Average is 2.4. Gonna sell my next positions around. Gonna just wait here for a move up to 3. And I'm out. Got the little fake out at 2.6 and I'm out. Would have been nice had I sold at that $160 profit, but well, it's okay. A little hesitant here. Looks like the buyers are really fighting the price. They really want that price to keep going up. Are we going to follow them? Let's see. Let's let that 1 minute chart steady up. Let's see if we get solidified movement. Okay, we're still looking good here. Gonna ideally want some sort of consolidation here, which then launches up to through 2.6. I already sold the entirety of my position, of course. If I buy more shares, then I'm definitely gonna have to. Might be a fake out here. I don't think it's gonna break. Broke. Average 2.69. average 2.69. Bought into that high. Is that high gonna hold? Doubling down at that high. High risk entry. Could flatten out any second now. Now take the loss. This is a high risk entry. Should have got it in down here. Would have definitely been the smarter move. Would have had lower cost average and would have already been at a good profit instead of being down on this trade as of right now. And now we're dependent on whether that 2.6 resistance line becomes support. That's what we're dependent on now. This looks very bearish. Gonna be patient though. Gonna be patient. And if this flag doesn't work here, then it looks like we're definitely gonna be bearish. But we're still gonna be patient here. Okay, let's get that squeeze. Let's get that squeeze. Selling a little bit of shares here. Okay, let's get that squeeze. And I'm out. I'm gonna just call it there because that 2.8 resistance line is looking like too much. Getting at a point where my trade is kind of falling behind and whatnot, so we're gonna just keep it cool and we're just gonna sell here at this resistance level at 2.8, and we're not gonna play a breakout. We're just gonna sell right there. Pre-market high, good. Past this level. Well, why did I draw this resistance level here? Oh, okay, the drop through here. Through right around here. Yeah. Okay. And we're kind of due for a 5-minute pullback. We're not due for it, but could happen. But look at the funny thing, right? Had I held through resumption, right? I'd just been patient. I could have been up $300. But I'd just been patient instead of trying to play these little 1-minute moves. All I had to do once it resumed right here was just be patient. Okay, nice 1-minute flag here at HPCO. I don't think it's gonna work though. I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, this is good. We're gonna get a pullback. So now we're gonna see how the price reacts with these pullbacks. We're at some very profit territory, so it's looked like some people are really dumping their shares here. And let's see if this support line holds. If not, we got the VWAP. So now it's more of a chance to, now we're gonna shift our focus from the 1 minute to the 5 minute, because now as the pullback comes down, there's less momentum, everything's more relaxed, then we could see much more opportunities on the 5 minute. And if we see a good opportunity on the 5 minute, then we capitalize, and that's wraps. So we're just gonna be patient on that side. All right. All right, we see it kind of squeezing up to 2.81. I still don't trust it. I don't trust you. And I don't think it's going to keep going higher. Unless we have a pullback here, kind of a retest, relax, and then pulls up. Okay, the level 2 is kind of activating, so the buyers might start getting a hold of this now. I was more expecting like a longer pullback, but I'd play it right. I played the resumption move, which was here. I bought at the resumption, sold my areas around this resistance level at 2.8 the way it should have been done. Buy at the lows, sell when everybody else is buying up here. Smooth, right? Chilling, how it's supposed to be. Now this is going to be a little more risky here, because now we see a flag here forming. Okay, this could be a good part to entry, small position. This could be smooth. Let me think. Wait for it. Let's see. Because once it takes off. Okay. A lot of resistance here. I don't want to buy at the resistance already. If I'm going to, I'll probably just reduce my share size here. So that's what I'll do. I'll reduce my share size. And if I do see strength at that 1 minute, yeah, I'll just probably let it take off. I can't sell shares. I meant to buy. Buying small position size at 3.12 here. High risk position. Small position size. It's just a small scalp move to 3.2. Can we get that? Small scalping position, since it's already taken off. It's already buying at the resistance, so I don't want to add in too many shares. And I'm just looking for a small little scalp move to 3.2 here. That's all I'm looking for, really. Just a small little scalp move. Nothing crazy. See if the momentum takes off. Seeing a little 1 minute struggle here. 3.18. Give me 3.2. Give me 3.2. 3.2. Boom. Small little scalp move there. Successful little scalp move at from 3.1 to 3.2. Current profit overall on the day is $106 profit. The stock could keep going higher, but at this point, I already missed my good entry positions here, which were here. So I could have made a substantial amount of money, but I'm not going to start chasing up these highs, be like a rookie trader, and then getting caught out with the falling knife and then stop out and lose. So all I did was a little scalp move here from 3.1 to 3.2. And I'm happy for the day. $106 profit day on the day, so that's good. Let's show that up here. Let's close this here. Right there. If we get like a big pullback or something, then I'll reconsider entering. I don't want to enter at this 3.45 high, especially since we have the 3.5 mark here. It looks like it's about to be halted, but then it doesn't get halted, which is kind of a bearish indication that the buyers aren't as strong as you think they are. I guess the big move, as you could see, was basically at here at 10. So the majority of moves do start happening around 9:50, 10 a.m. So we'll keep watching this. We're relaxed now, you know, we're calmed down. We're chilling. Nothing really to worry about whatsoever. This would be a nice entry. I don't want to give up the profit that I've made on this stock, but I'm not entirely sure whether it could keep coming back up. But I don't want to give up the profit that I've made. So we're going to focus on the 5-minute chart. Have the high at 3.45, and I'm going to just look at the 5-minute chart, see what I can identify for that chart specifically. Nice flag approaching here in the 1 minute. Starting to curl up here. Could be a potential move back up. Yeah, I'm not exactly trusting it. I'm not trusting it yet. But now we have a clear resistance level here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a create alert button here. And create. And that's going to let me know. And I'm going to go off camera for a second. All right, looks like we're getting a retest of that resistance level here. The bull flag does seem like it's forming on the 1 minute. But this is easily double top territory for sellers. Again, this bull move right here was a clear indication that, I know earlier I said it wasn't a good indication, but now I'm looking at it was a clear indication that a strong move forward was coming. The fact that that happened on this also support line from here, it's a clear indication. Now here, let's just see how it reacts.
Protesters gathered this morning outside St. Hubert's Catholic School in the wake of a disturbing video circulating on social media. The video includes a young female whose face was painted black being mocked by several other young females. It's believed that people in that video are students from St. Hubert's and Franklin Town Charter.
Cookie gang. Very hesitant. Oh, I just saw Maggie on the chat. You see what time? What time did you type this? Can I see? Let's see. Oh man. Oh, because I was in top chat, not live chat. So let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the man Mickey. He's on the chat. Okay, that's funny. Let's make sure it doesn't show up on my end here. Okay, now where were we? Okay, now the flag is starting to look a little bit more convincing. I already have my profit, like, I already got my profit locked. I'm happy. This could be a type of day. I'll tell you what, I'll add a 3.20 share at. Why is my. I'll add a bid at 3.2. Okay, clearly it's not going to do that. And a flush down. Wait. See what happens though. Oh! Bless me. Thank you. Okay, again. Same thing. If we get a break below this move, then we're back to focusing on the 5-minute chart. As I look at the 5-minute chart now, I see a bull flag forming, but we do have to get that curl. I expect at least one more consolidation stick, and then either a move up or move down. So let's see what we get. This could be a really good entry point. I wanted to get in at 3.2. Nah, I don't want to get the dip. I don't want to buy that dip. I'm seeing the 9 exponential moving average, how it's kind of strong support here, and then it's kind of now blending in. I think that even if we get a move to 3.45, there's going to be too much selling pressure. To make good decisions off this. Yeah, it seems like there's a lot of resistance here at that 3.45 level. You see, it was instant. It was practically instant. There's a lot of sellers. It's a very high risk point to start buying in at that high, even though it does seem like a good bull flag on the 5-minute. The amount of that instant rejection, which was literally instantly, is a huge red flag. If this 1 minute candle closes below, then I'll probably just step away from the computer, wait to see how it reacts with the VWAP level, and chill out there. Sounds good. I'll keep it live on for a bit, just in case I capture any interesting moves last second. All right, I'm back. Clearly, we're looking at some sort of support buying here down at this area. Buyers gonna want to push that price even higher now. Let's see if they could get. Let's see if they can manage to do that. I personally, I don't know whether they're gonna be able to. This could be a bull trap. Let me check some numbers real quick on my account. All right, looks like we're all good. Looks like we're all good here, having a nice 1 minute flag here. Only if this flag holds would the move build upwards. If it doesn't hold, then gonna add a alert here. 3.34 level. Gonna add the alert here at 3.35. Another alert once that 3.46 level is retested. 3.45 level. That would be a smart point to buy right there at 3.2. It's the bottom of this flag for even if it comes back up here and then rejects, at least you have this area of reward. Risk would be 3.1, reward would be at 3.35. That's a good spot to buy, actually. Okay, it'd still be a good buy there. Oh, shit. This is really starting to mind fuck with me. Average is 3.21. And instant flush down. Yeah, that's falling. That's falling. We're down. That's going down. That's downhill. That's going downhill. Yeah, I'm gonna call it for now. I'll probably hop back in later if anything comes up interesting. 5 minutes still seems like it has potential for a bigger move upwards. For now, we're just gonna keep it cool and call it a day. Thank you all for watching.